Welcome to today's session on quality control and quality assurance, two critical pillars of the pharmaceutical industry. Whether you're on the shop floor, in the laboratory, or behind the scenes managing documentation, understanding QC and QA is essential to ensure our products are safe, effective, and compliant. Let's start with a simple question. What is quality? In pharma, quality means ensuring a product is fit for its intended use, free from contamination, and consistently manufactured to the required standards. Quality isn't a department's job, it's everyone's responsibility. But there are two functions that specialize in maintaining it: quality control and quality assurance. Let's define them. Quality control, or QC, involves testing and inspection of raw materials, in-process samples, and finished products. QC checks if the product meets the specifications. Quality assurance, or QA, is a system-based approach that ensures all processes are designed and performed correctly to prevent defects in the first place. Think of QC as detective work, catching errors after they occur. QA is more like preventive medicine, setting up systems to stop errors before they happen. Key activities under QC include sampling and testing of raw materials, packaging materials, intermediates, and finished products. Stability studies, calibration of instruments, environmental monitoring for sterile areas, and maintaining laboratory records with data integrity. For example, before releasing a batch of tablets, QC tests for assay, dissolution, content uniformity, and microbial limits. On the QA side, responsibilities include review and approval of batch manufacturing records, handling deviations and change control, CAPA, internal audits, and validation of processes, cleaning, equipment, and systems. QA also oversees training coordination and SOP management. For example, QA ensures a deviation during tablet compression is properly investigated, root cause identified, and corrective actions implemented. Here's a quick comparison. QA is process-oriented. QC is product-oriented. QA aims to prevent defects. QC identifies them. QA activities include audits, SOPs, training, and validation, while QC focuses on testing, sampling, and analysis. Both play distinct but interconnected roles. QC and QA are like two wheels of the same bicycle, moving us forward toward regulatory compliance and patient safety. QC tests products. QA ensures testing methods are validated. QC detects failures. QA investigates and prevents recurrence. QA lays down the SOPs. QC follows them during testing. Neither can work effectively in isolation. Now, let's talk about common challenges: incomplete documentation, human error, data integrity lapses, and communication gaps. And best practices: cross-functional training, building a documentation-first culture, leveraging automation, and maintaining strong change control systems. Regulatory bodies like the FDA, MHRA, and WHO expect us to meet global GMP standards. That includes data integrity, audit trails, OOS investigations, and long-term stability programs. Failure to comply can lead to warnings, recalls, or shutdowns. Now, a quick quiz to check your learning. Question 1. Which function is responsible for reviewing batch records? Answer: QA. Question 2. Which activity is not part of QC? Answer: equipment validation. To summarize, QC is about testing products. QA is about designing systems to prevent failures. Both are critical for quality and compliance. Together, they protect patients and our company. Thank you for your attention. Quality is a shared commitment. Let's continue to uphold the highest standards in everything we do. For more in-depth pharma learning, like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Creatorrr, your go-to channel for powerful knowledge delivered with clarity.